Hey there, little creators! Are you ready to have some fun with colorful clay? Today, we're going to learn all about colors and letters while making some amazing shapes and figures. So grab your clay, let your imagination run wild, and let's dive into a world of creativity. Getting started with clay. First things first, let's get to know our colorful clay. Look at all these bright, beautiful colors. We have red, blue, yellow, green, and so many more. Each color has its own unique magic. Let's start by taking a little bit of each color out of its container. Can you find the red clay? Great! Now how about the blue one? Excellent! We're going to have so much fun! Learning colors with clay. Let's start with the color red. Red is the color of apples, fire trucks, and even some flowers. Can you think of anything else that's red? Now, let's roll our red clay into a ball. Roll, roll, roll. There we go! We've made a red ball. Isn't it fun to see how the clay changes shape as we mold it? Now let's try blue. Blue is the color of the sky, the ocean, and blueberries. What else can you think of that's blue? Let's shape our blue clay into a cube. Squish, press, and shape. Perfect. We have a blue cube. See how different it looks from our red ball? Time for some green clay. Green is the color of grass, trees, and frogs. Let's make a green leaf. Pinch the edges, press it down, and look at that! A beautiful green leaf. Can you smell the fresh grass? It's like bringing a little bit of nature indoors. Mixing colors with clay. What do you think will happen if we mix two colors together? Let's try it out. I have some yellow clay and blue clay. What do you think will happen if we mix them? Let's find out. Look at that! When we mixed yellow and blue, we made green. Isn't that amazing? Mixing colors is like creating a little bit of magic with our hands. What other colors can you mix together? Now let's mix red and yellow. Wow! We made oranges. And what if we mix blue and red? Yes, we have purple now. Isn't it fun to see how new colors appear when we mix them together? It's like discovering a secret every time. Learning letters with clay. Now that we've had fun with colors, let's use our clay to learn some letters. Let's start with the letter A. A is for apples, alligator, and airplane. Watch as I shape the clay into the letter A. You can try this too. Flatten your clay. Then make two diagonal lines and a small line across the middle. There you go! We've made the letter A. Next, let's make the letter B. B is for ball, banana, and butterfly. Roll out your red clay and shape it into a straight line with two rounded bumps on the side. Look at that! We made the letter B. What words can you think of that start with the letter B? Now, let's try the letter C. C is for cat, car, and cake. Roll out your green clay into a long snake shape and curve it into a C. Great job! Now we have three letters. A, B, and C. Can you say them with me? A, B, C. Spelling simple words with clay. Let's take it a step further and spell a word with the letters we've learned. How about the word kit? We already know how to make the letters C and A. Now let's make the letter T. T is for tiger, tree, and train. Shape your clay into a straight line with a little line across the top. There you go. We've spelled kit. Isn't it fun to see how letters come together to make words? Let's try another word. How about dog? We'll make the letter D by shaping our clay into a straight line with a big bump on the side. Then we add the letters O and G. D-O-G dog. You did it! You're getting so good at this! Creating shapes and characters with clay. Now that we've learned colors and letters, let's use our clay to create something fun, a little character. How about a smiling face? We can start with a round ball of yellow clay for the head. Then we can use black clay to make two eyes and a big happy smile. Look at that! Our character is ready to play. Let's add some fun accessories. How about a blue hat or a red bowtie? Just roll out your clay, shape it, and stick it on. Our character is looking so cool now. You can create your own characters too. Maybe a dog, a cat, or even a superhero. The possibilities are endless. Wow! Look at everything we've made today. We played with so many colors, learned how to make letters, and even spelled some words. And don't forget about the fun characters we created. You've done an amazing job today, and you should be so proud of yourself. Thank you for playing with me today. Remember, you can always come back and play with your clay whenever you want to learn more colors, letters, hand shapes. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a clay master. Don't forget to show your friends and family all the wonderful things you created. Before we go, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you had fun. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more creative adventures. We'll see you next time for more colorful fun with clay. Bye for now.